hit you. He's fucking through to himself as well.
Good morning, Sunday the 16th of May, and we're up in Bridge of Orchy, and the target today is Dòrain and Beinn and Dòthaidh. Forecast is really good. There's about a 10% chance of rain, but so far so good. Can live with that. Met with the boys today again, Dòrain and Craig. Left Glasgow at 7:30 this morning. It's about 9 o'clock, just kicking off at 9. Basically in this walk you need to get to the Beinn there, and if you decide what one you want to do first. I think we're going to do Beinn and Dòthaidh first and do Dòrain second. That's the plan. We'll see how the weather is at the top. A wee bit of cloud just in the summit of Dòrain now. Hopefully that'll burn off. Nice path to walk on. A wee bit boggy to start, nothing too much. This path's really good. This has been walking for about 50 minutes, and we're right in the quarry now. Not a bad wee path, a few boggy sections as I said, but that's us starting the real sort of ascent up to this Beinn. Plenty of bodies in the hill today. Car park was nearly full when we got there. I think we get the last space. That's us up to the Beinn. So see, as you get here, you decide what Monroe you want to do first. That's took us an hour and just over 10 minutes, around 10 minutes to get to here. A lock tiller down there. How you doing, mate? Another night in the sauce? Another night in the sauce?
Alcohol's no good for you.
How are you, Micah?
I'm fine, but let that be a lesson for the children not to drink.
That's what happens to you drink the night before. Right, so we've decided to head right and go up Beinn Dòrain first. Well, we'll still get the views, we don't want to chance it in case we miss the views. So that's the plan, Beinn Dòrain first, then up there second. There's not a bad wee view. Flags just coming and going, but I think that's the summit there, I'm not sure. There you go, Beinn Dòrain summit. And not a bad view, eh? That took us about 2 hours to get to the summit, the first one though. Not bad going, a bit steep coming up for the Beinn, then it plateaus off a bit and then it's a wee bit steep at the end, but okay. So I must have passed this Monroe well over 100 times and never done it before, so this is the first day up doing it today. These boys have done it before and they've kindly come up with me today to do these two, so appreciate that, the boys. There's a wee view down onto the 82. Wow, you're a long way up. You're a long way up. Enjoy that, mate.
Brilliant.
How you doing, you old drunkard?
I'm sobered up.
Amazing. Amazing. You can't get much better than that, eh?
That's the best place for fucking lunch.
Yeah, that's us back down at the Beinn, ready to start the ascent up onto the second Monroe, Beinn and Dòrain. So that's the Beinn there. Wasn't too bad. Beinn Dòrain, quite straightforward, good path to the top. As you've seen the views, cracking day. I think we'll still get the views for the second Monroe as well, so here's hoping we get to the top. Flag's been coming in and out, but we've been lucky and missed it. So we'll see when we get to the top. That's us been walking for just over 3 hours. We're near the summit, the second Monroe. Very steep this one. Not as good a path and a wee bit more boggier than Beinn Dòrain. Stunning views back at Beinn Dòrain. Yep, onwards and upwards, we're nearly up. That's us up onto the ridge, no far now to the summit, a big cornice. It's Fanart Moor. And that's the summit of our next mono there. That's the summit of Beinn and Dòrain. Done. A bit busy, as you can see. What a view. What a view.
I've not really had it that long, so you couldn't press it, do its own thing, doing noise. We've upped it 50 metres apart. See what happens.
Hope it doesn't go down there.
It's been elevator thing.
Is there like a recall on it and it'll fly back to the remote eye?
But yeah, the remote you're going, what the fuck is it doing? It's just, you said Beinn Dòrain, didn't you? It's way over the other side. It's completely blown out the highlight section. That's quite far away. I know. That's what I mean. You're trying to go, what am I doing? Let's just go, let's just leave it.
This is just coming down at the quarry. It's back here. In the hail stains zone. Well, the forecast wasn't too wrong there, the sort of rain and sort of hail on at the same time. But luckily we're near the end of the walk, maybe another few miles to go and that'll be us done. We're nearly out the quarry and then sort of it flattens off a bit. Basically down to Orchy Hotel and back to the car. You look at the quarry, it's pushing down. Lovely, eh? That's us about done. Been walking for about 4 hours 50 minutes and we've done nearly 9.5 miles. Another 2 my nose bagged. We're just at Orchy train station. I see another 2 my nose bagged, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you. What's up here for? For the railway?